Hello, viewers. Very good evening. So, I hope yesterday I just shared some job information to the job fresher. So, I hope it would be very useful. So, could you please check and apply for all the jobs? Yesterday and day before yesterday, I just given some job information, right? So, could you please check and apply in case if your skill set which is matches for you? In that case, could you please apply for the job without miss anything? Because it's very costliest gift is nowadays missing a right opportunity. So do not miss the right opportunity. Because we are just getting it's very difficult situation for all the freshers, very harder situation for all the freshers, especially for 2023 passed out freshers. I'm just saying it's very difficult to get a single notification from the any one of the MNCs. Okay, so today we are going to see some interesting product-based MNC job opportunity. I hope once you join this online live stream so that you can able to understand. So which company I'm going to talk. So for sure it's a great opportunity. In case if you're getting this opportunity in this company, you are going to your future will be very well, so you are going to get some luxurious life in case we are getting this opportunity. I'm just speaking here. So that the thing is, do not think anything yourself, just give a try any of the company, whether it is product based company or service based company, doesn't matter at the moment. Why? Because again I'm just saying the same thing only, it's very difficult to get a notification from any one of the company. Okay, so in case if anyone join, please say hi so that I'm just aware of it who is joined, or else no issues. Let me going to share the job information about that company. So before that, I'm going to put up one series. So I'm going to share all the job opportunity in that company, either it is fresher or experienced, doesn't matter. So I'm going to share all the companies. Okay. Yeah, so anyone is joined, please let me know so that I'm just aware of it so that we can able to start our chat as well. In case you're having any doubts, anything if you want to discuss with me, you can discuss. No issues. I'm ready to clarify whatever I know. I'm ready to give a tips, either it is suggestion or whatever it may be. You can ask anything from my end. I'm ready to give a reply from your queries. Yes, no issues. So, okay, let's start. I hope let's start the video right away. I mean, the job information I'm going to share with you guys. Yes, the company name called Zoho. That's why I'm just keep saying the it's a great opportunity for everyone. Okay, so if you're having some passion to work with the product based company, Zoho is a very good organization. You just apply very super fast. Okay, so do not hesitate for anything, do not wait for anything. They're just hiring for the QA engineers. As a fresher role only, they are just hiring. Okay, that's why I'm just requesting you to apply for all the positions here. The job description they are just given here: experience in manual and automation. So experience they are just looking for 0 to 2 years, which means freshers also can apply, and experienced also. Whoever falls under the 0 to 2 years of experience, they can able to apply this position. Okay. Yes. Obviously, they are just looking for, since it's a QA role, right? They are just looking for some experience in manual and automation testing, knowledge of Java programming, data types. Obviously, Java programming, which is very um, vital role, just playing a vital role in any of the company. So any of the company can say, so without Java, they won't. Mostly, they will develop the applications through the Java programming. Since it's a OOPS, right, object-oriented programming, which is very useful for the developers to do the coding. That's why they have chosen Java programming as a backend technology. Okay, so experience they are just looking for MySQL and PostgreSQL. Experience in Selenium and JMeter for performance testing should be able to perform so rigorous testing by creating large data sets, contact by contact backend testing, and validate information. So these are the job description. I'm just reading out here. Okay, again I'm just repeating. If you are fall under 0 to 2 years experience, could you please apply this position without testing, without searching for anything, since it's a Zoho. Just given the declaration from the Zoho side, this opportunity. Having good knowledge in the Java programming while doing the automation, right? You must have some knowledge in the Java program, then only you can able to write the automation test scripts. That's why they have mentioned here. Experience in Selenium and JMeter. Additionally, obviously Java plus Selenium, by using those technologies only we are going to write the test cases. JMeter they are going to do for check the performance testing in any one of the applications. So if interested, kindly click I'm just going to give the link into my description box. You just have a look and apply. In case if you are interested, could you please apply, give the interest, then apply the positions here. Simply when you are going through this career site, right? So that time you can able to understand what are the things they are just expecting from you guys. Okay, so easily you can able to drag and drop your resume here. Otherwise, you can feed your record details to apply these positions. Okay, so it's a great opportunity. I can say that's why I'm just keep saying the same thing. So Zoho is a very good organization. So I just heard many people. So they are ready. They are just given you everything. So like food and many amenities you have compared than other IT companies, since it's a product based company. They are just giving for lot of things compared than other IT companies. Moreover, you can learn many things from here. So once you join this company, for sure you are not going to come out from this organization. Okay, yeah. So the location is like I said, generally they are just recruiting the candidates from like Tamil Nadu only. So in case we are having the passion to work from relocate, in case if you are living from other states, then if you want to work in Zoho, then kindly do relocate. They have a lot of opportunities. They are just hiring the positions for multiple locations like Chennai, Salem, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli, and Madurai. So these are the places they are just having the offices. Okay, so that's why I'm just requesting you to apply this position immediately. Yes. Okay, let me tell you the other jobs. You all jobs. So let me show you the jobs here. Again I'm just saying I am able to. Yes. See, also they are just hiring for the UI, UX, and visual graphic designers. So in case if anyone having the interest to do the designing, right? So in that case they can apply this position. I'm just tell you the years of experience what they are looking for. They didn't mention the experience here, which means I'm not sure whether anyone can apply or only the experienced candidate only they can able to apply this position. But they didn't mention anything here. That experience side, they're just given only the job description. So you must have a good knowledge in ABC testing and UX design. Okay, so since Zoho is they are just focusing for UX experience. Why? Because they are just having a lot of products already. They have delivered in multiple countries, many countries I can say. So the US experience, the user experience, which is very very important for them to build their product very very successful, running their product very successful. That's why they are just keen. They are just looking for the keen candidates, one who having the good passion about doing the UI, UX, and graphic design. Then they can apply this position. So again, I'm just repeating. So they didn't mention any experienced here, years of experience. They didn't mention here. Only they have just given job description. So if you have a passion, so again I'm saying, if you have a passion, either it's a fresher or experience, Zoho never ever consider about your education, about your experience, where you are coming from. Simply they are just going to test your knowledge. Okay, simply I can say in Zoho, because I just heard from many people, many colleagues, they are just saying the same thing only. Even though I just um, watched many videos from the CEO of the Sridhar Vembu, so he is also said the same thing. They are just testing your analytical skill and logical thinking. Apart from that, they never consider about your education. Either you are from 12th past, that is enough for them. They can able to train up you. Why? Because they are just having this Zoho University in their organization. Through that university, they will give a training like anything, so that you will become master in your key area. Okay, either you have chosen the QA or any UI UX, it doesn't matter what are the technologies you are choosing. They are just having the Zoho University in their organization. So they will giving you the very good training, so that you can become the master from the Zoho. So that's why I'm just requesting you to apply Zoho position. Nazima, you also, could you please try, in case if you're having some interest. Good evening, Nazima. So you said, right, sometime back we discussed, right? So it's a great opportunity. So Zoho declared 0 to 2 years of testing QA engineers they are just looking for. In case if you're having passion, so do simply apply that position. In case if you're getting the opportunity, just give a try in that interview. In by luckily or by your potential, in case you are selected, then it's a great opportunity. It's a great future you are going to be get. Just give a try, Nasima. So either it is just SQL testing, right? I mean, sorry, the automation and manual testing only, right? You can able to pick it. You can able to wrap up yourself. I hope you can able to upskill yourself, right? So just simply give a try. Yeah. Later, so just do apply. Whether in case if you are getting an interview letter, then it should be fine. Else, no issues, no worries. Just try for some other jobs. Yeah, so moreover, anyone having the passion about the UI UX, then apply this question as well. I'm just keep saying that I'm just repeating the same thing. In case we are asking me about the experience, they didn't mention the experience here. That's why I couldn't able to read out the experience. What is the experience? They are just looking for this UI UX and graphic design position. Okay. Again, they're having the recruitment for software developers also. I don't know why the people are not mentioning the experience, which means I can consider the job is only for freshers. Okay, in case if they are looking for the experienced candidates, experienced professional, they have just mentioned the experience, the JD, so that everyone aware. Otherwise, everyone will apply this position. So simply in case if you are seeing the declaration from the Zoho side, software developers they are just hiring means, so anyone can apply these positions, right? So we need to filter based on hello Samir. Yeah. Hello Samir, you are fresher or experienced? Fresher. So did you apply for all the positions, all the jobs I just posted, right? In case if you're having the chance, we're getting the chance to look my videos in in my YouTube channel, please have a look and apply for all the applicable positions for you. Okay. So many of the companies are still recruiting the freshers. I can understand it's very difficult to get the notification from any of the company, but so I just gathered those information from my multiple sources. Then I'm just posted as a video here. Please have a look and apply for that company, so that you are just just simply give a try. That's why I'm just saying. So then only you can able to get in some idea so about the interview process. Simply you are sitting in idle, then for sure you are not getting any idea about the interview, either it is product based company or service based company, or also it's a manufacturing company. Just give a try. Once you get the interview call letter, then you just prepare. B stream can go through IT. Yeah, you can go. No issues. Triple E students, many of them just. Have you undergone any certification, Samir, in your IT technologies, or do you have any passion in any of the programming technologies or any other non-programming skill like majorly the manual testing, UI, UX design, business analyst role? Those are the non-programming. With those tech, I mean those jobs doesn't require any programming knowledge. You have some effective communication. Speaking about the business analyst and data analyst, that as you want to become data analyst, you should have a good knowledge in, yeah, Python you are learning, right? Then fine, go with Python. Additionally, just try to learn any one of the UI skill. First, you just focus Python. If you are, if you feel you are just getting some good knowledge into Python, and then try to choose for any one of the UI technology like any JS, either it is Angular or React, Vue.js or Nest.js, whatever it may be. Based on your interest, you can choose any one of the JavaScript framework. Then, additionally, you need to learn database technologies, either it is MySQL or PostgreSQL or MS SQL. Based on your interest, you just learn. Yeah, you can apply the questions as well. So no worries. I just given some yesterday. I just given some opportunity about the Vestas also. Vestas and Ford. They are just hiring the software engineers, fresher software engineer. So kindly go through those videos and analog services also. Analog services is a good company. So you just go through the position. I just given the link into my description box. You just have a look and apply those positions. Okay. So in case we are getting the since you are a triple E stream, right? So which is a manufacturing company. So in case we are getting the opportunity, please try to first of all you just try to apply the position. Then just wait for some time. In case if you are getting the interview opportunity, please give a try and just by attending the interview, then only you can able to gain your experience, interview experience. Okay, that's why I'm just requesting you all to attend the interview. Sorry, attend the interview. So just give a try in one of the interview. Okay, then only can able to earn. So what are the questions they get? Not about the technical, also the personal and behavioral interview questions. HR will ask by the HR, right? Yeah, you just check into my YouTube videos. If you want, let me give my YouTube. I hope you are the part. Are you already subscribed or not? In case if you're not subscribed, you just have a look and subscribe, or else you can check my LinkedIn post. Okay? Are you following me in the through LinkedIn, Samir? I just given everything into my LinkedIn post. Okay? Or else let me give you my link. Not an issue. Just hold on a minute. Whether you subscribe or doesn't not subscribe, that doesn't matter. You just try to follow me through LinkedIn. Okay, I will do post many jobs in through my LinkedIn post. Even though I just missed it to post a few jobs in my YouTube channel, but I'll just for sure I will do post everything in my LinkedIn post. You just have a look and follow me regularly to get all the latest job notifications. I'm just requesting you all for the same. Why? Because it's very difficult for me to do post, so convert a video from all the jobs. Simply I will do post through LinkedIn so that everybody will aware, right? So that only I just posting. like internship jobs, many things I just posted as a I mean LinkedIn post only. So major job updates I will post as a video. Either it is a small jobs or either it's a internship. So I will do as a post through LinkedIn. Yes. So like I said, right, you can apply this position for the Zoho opportunities. So one more opportunity today I would like to share. This is also a great company, I can say. They are just hiring for the freshers. Just hold on a moment. The link page is loading. Yes. See, I just informed earlier, right? Still, the Micron hiring fresher software test engineer. So, Samir, you uh, just pay attention. So, I'm just declaring you one of the opportunity in Micron. So, Micron is a very good company. Where are you from, Samir? Where are you from? Test engineer. They're just hiring only for the fresher, so they didn't expect any experience from your side, like you said, right? So you are just started to learning the Python, so they're just hiring the Python plus some testing experience. Okay, so Python is a major technology in this company. So they're just aptitude testing. So you need to you need to practice well, Prakadesh. So you just have a look. All the you have we have the multiple Zoho videos, right? So you just have a look. I'll share you some link on who cleared the Zoho aptitude test, right? I'll share those link. You just have a look. For sure, I'm ready to help you. I'm just giving you some reference. You just go through the reference, then you just attend the interview. Okay, I can understand it's little difficult to crack the aptitude test, but in case if you cracked it right, it's a great opportunity. For all you need is the practice. So without having proper practice, we can't able to crack it. Zoho, uh, I mean Zoho both aptitude as well as the technical role. So because they are just having strong technical role. So for in this particular position, the QA engineers, I think they won't expect much. I hope, since it's a software development role, they will test you many things from the technical side. Speaking about the software testing, having the good knowledge about it, just try to find out the elements from your web application. Then I hope, which is very useful, which is very mandatory thing. So since it's a Java programming is mandatory for the automation testing, they will try to test some medium level coding test in the Java programming language when speaking about the QA engineer post. I'm saying yes, Samir. So like I said, right. So Micron hiring test engineer. They are just looking for major technology as a Python. Additionally, they are just looking for C and Unix. Okay, so the application is going to be closed soon. Kindly, excuse me. Kindly apply the position. Sir, okay. Sorry. Let me give you the link here. Not only submit, just part of it, and just try to apply for all the positions, whatever you are having, whatever you are just heard from the your friends or colleagues, somebody you just heard the news notification news. Kindly go through the description and apply. So since it's a very difficult time, excuse me. Since it's a very difficult time for all the freshers, so do not stick with any particular position. In case we are having very good passion about doing the programming, then please stay. Otherwise, if you want to run your family with the help of your financial help, then please try to enter any one of the IT jobs. Okay, so once you are enter any one of the IT job, then only you are going to get some experience. Until unless you are just having lot of dilemma, lot of confusions, overthinking, everyone will have it. Even though myself also did the same thing only when I was a fresher. Okay, so try to enter any one of the IT jobs. I'm ready to help you, but the thing is hardly to be honest, I'm saying I'm unable to give reference any one of the companies. If even though if I refer you right, so again they're going to test with your potential. So also it's very difficult to get all the HR contacts. Okay, I'm not that kind of a person. So if I'm having the very good background from that IT sector, then I can able to help you. But even though I'm just working as a developer in XYZ company, so it's very difficult to get a contact number from all the HRs. Sorry, or from the company for all the HRs. Right? It's very difficult. I hope you can able to understand. That's why I just simply given the job notification from you guys. I can understand many of the people are asking me to about the referral. So it's very difficult to get the referral from the HR side. If in a mostly the colleagues will work if XY is a company, I will ask them to do the referral, but it's very difficult to get the referral for all of the candidates. Many of the candidates just approaching me to get the referral. It's very difficult to refer for all the employees. They won't allow me to do for all the things. Why? Because I can able to refer at least more maximum I can able to do only the 10 members in my colleagues company. Apart from that I can't do anything. That's why I just, but only the thing is, if you're trying to do, put your effort in the right direction, the consistency is a very, very important here. Consistency is a very good key to get the success. We just do practice, just try to set your goals, first of all. Whether you want to go from, whether you want to be a focus in one of the product based companies, then you should prepare DSA as well as system design and that coding rounds, which is very, very important. If you're having the passion, if you're having the skill to do programming and logical thing, if you're having, then you just stay sometime. For sure your opportunity will come, your turn will come, you can able to crack the interview. In case if you want to go for any one of the service based companies, you just try to learn any one of the oops programming language. Okay, which is very, very mandatory, either it's Java or .NET or Python, whatever it may be. Just try to learn. You just you just build your foundation very strong. Just try to prepare the interview questions, interview point of view, which is very, very important. Even though if you are able to do the programming, you can able to do the coding, you have to answer for the interview questions, which is very, very important. So during your 30 minutes of the interview, that is very, very crucial time for you. Just practice yourself. I'm ready to help you for everyone. Even though if you want, I'm ready to have a. I'm just ready to plan for the interview questions, mock interview questions for all with respect to all the technologies. Let me do. I'm just having the plan, but so I'm also having a lot of works, unable to do anything. So I'm having the plan to conduct the mock interviews for all the candidates. Let's do some practice with yourself. Okay, then just apply the question. You just keep active for all the social job networks. Okay, just try to grow your network like anything. So LinkedIn or whatever, maybe you just try to grow your network. Also whenever you are just getting the free time, right, you just try to upskill yourself. Do not think much about your job opportunities. Your turn obviously will come. You are not going to be a jobless. One day you are going to be you are the employer for any one of the organization, right? So do not worry much anything at the moment. Try to upskill yourself. Which is not your fault, which is the industry. Sometimes it will happen. So each 10 year once, every 10 year once, we are just faced the same situation. So it's not your fault. So everyone just fighting for the opportunity. Once you are getting the chance, obviously you can able to flourish that place, I hope. Yes, I would like to wind up the session. So before wind up, anyone having any questions, I'm ready to help you. So, Pragadishwaran, you just try to put a lot of effort. Okay, in case we have passion to work product-based companies, Just try to learn more and more. We have the lot of materials in the YouTube or Udemy or plural site. Many things we have. Try to practice yourself. Okay, so not only Zoho, like many companies, product based companies we have, like Freshworks and ChargeBee, many companies we have in Tamil Nadu or else any other place. JP Morgan, many companies we have. So just try to put your effort and apply the position. Okay, so I like to share. So before I adapt, let me tell you for one more company. Just hold on a moment. The page is loading still. Yesterday also, like I said, right, Genpact hiring fresher software automation engineer. Yesterday also I just repeated the same. Okay, so Genpact just giving the opportunity, many opportunities nowadays. They are just hiring the software fresher opportunities. The testing side, automation engineer, they are just hiring. Please have a look and apply the position. Let me give you the link here. Whenever I'm just saying the job notification, right, please try to apply, guys. Why? Because it's very difficult to get the job right away. That's why I'm just requesting everyone to apply the position. Okay, so the link which I shared here, right, the Genpact, they are just hiring software fresher software automation test engineer. So do not think anything. So why I'm just saying automation? Mostly I'm just sharing the automation test engineer, right? Which is very easy to enter the IT jobs. Why? Because less coding experience, then which is very easy. And I'm saying I'm not compelling to anyone to go for the test engineer. For sure, you just wait for some time. You just if you want to become a like product based company engineer, then you just wait for some time. Obviously, your turn will come. You can able to crack your the right opportunity. Just hold on until. So apply link you want. Let me share. Hold on, Samir. That's why I'm feeling unwell only. But in between, I'm just posting the video. No issues. Just share it here. Just take it. Just give a apply. Just apply, Samir. You do not wait for anything. Okay. I think that's it today, guys. Anything you want to clarify anything from my end? Anything you want to know? Please share your queries. I'm ready to address your queries. If not anything, then we can wind up the session today. Okay, thanks. Thank you for joining Samir and Pragdishwaran, as usual, Hasima. So, no issues. Thank you so much for joining this video, the live session. If anything you want to discuss with me, please reach out to me at any time through LinkedIn. So, if you want to make a call, so I'll be available every day post 8 p.m. only, because in between, in case you called me, unable to pick your call, unable to for sure unable to answer your calls. That's why I just requested to everyone. If you want to check anything from my end, you can do ping through LinkedIn. I'll be active always in the LinkedIn. In case you want to talk with me, then you just make a call post 8 p.m. in every day. If it is a weekend, then you can call at any time. I'm ready to pick up your call. The weekdays I couldn't able to pick up your call. In case if you call in between 10 to 8, 10 to 7, if you make a call at post 8 p.m., I'll pick your call then. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining this video. Let me do some live streaming tomorrow with the new job notification, which means the fresher opportunities only. I'm going to focus mainly the fresher opportunities. Why? Because experienced having a lot of opportunities. Also, the hard fact is the experienced candidates also having some struggle. So below 4 years, who are having the below experience, right? 4 years, right? For them, it's very difficult to get the opportunity. Nowadays, we are just having the experience only for 4 plus only. Okay, so below who are having the below 4 years, they are also having some struggle. So the thing is, they can do they are having the employment if XYZ company. So financially, they are having some help, having some they are having some strong position. But in case they want to switch from current organization to another organization below 4 years, they are just struggling a lot, honestly. Yeah, so I just getting many multiple help from the job seekers. I mean, an experienced professional who are having four below. It's very difficult to get an opportunity for them also. Okay, so mostly I'm just concentrating both freshers and experience who were having zero. I mean, below 4 years. More than having the 4 to 6, they can able to have a lot of opportunities. They can able to crack the interview because they're having the experience. They can able to crack the interview. So in case some of the companies will they will miss, but for sure they will get some opportunity in another company. Yes, viewers, thank you so much for joining this video. So then, bye, bye to everyone. Let me catch up with you. New job notification tomorrow. Thank you then. Bye all. Anything anyone want to say? Anything anyone want to share with me? Thank you, Pragdishwan. Thank you so much for joining this session. Thanks, Samir. Just apply the position and just let me know in case we are getting the interview call letter. Thank you then. Bye.